So students, let us solve some questions with respect to the equation. So we have got finally one equation, that is nothing but PV is equal to nRT. See this page here. Okay, here this is PV is equal to nRT, and that it is called as ideal gas equation, and at room temperature no gas will behave as ideal gas. You remember this. Again we will be talking for the real gas. No gas will be behaving as ideal gas, right? If you are good at ideal gas equation, no need of Child's law, Ball's law, as well as Avogadro's law, because all the laws will be combined in the Avogadro's law itself. Suppose take the question here, find the volume of 32 grams of methane at 27 degrees centigrade and 380 mm Hg, right? You are having pressure 380 mm, convert this mm into atmospheres. Why we are converting? So as to take this R value in terms of 0.0821. Okay, this is in atmospheres liters only, right? And you require the volume and mole and n value. This is the general equation. P you are converting into atmospheres. So you know that 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mm. So 760 mm will be equal to 1 atmosphere. And you are having how much mm here? You are having 380 mm. So answer will be 380 into 1 by 760 will be equal to atmospheres. Now volume is the question mark, and you want so that by this you have got pressure, right? And if you go for the number of moles, you are having weight. So weight by molecular weight, if you take that you will be getting moles. So what is the weight here? Weight is 32 grams he has mentioned. Molecular weight of CH4 is carbon is 12 and hydrogen, each one it is having 1. So it is 12 plus, you are having 4 hydrogens, right? So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So totally it will become 16. So weight by molecular weight is 32, molecular weight is 16. So you will be getting answer as 2. So n value you have got 2, P value you have got 380 by 760, and R value you are taking it as constant one because you are getting this answer in liters, you want in liters. And this one it is in atmospheres. R value is 0.0821, and temperature should be converted to Kelvin. You are taking it as 27 degrees centigrade. So convert 27 degrees centigrade into Kelvin plus 273. If you add for the degree centigrade, it will be converting into 300 Kelvin. So this will be the equation. Finally you have got the temperature also. So 380 by 760 into V will be equal to 2 into 0.0821 into 300. So that volume will be equal to this one. Approximately you will be getting the answer as 98 liters. In the same way, this question, find the pressure exerted by the 14 grams of N2. 14 grams of N2 means what is the N2 molecular weight? 14 plus 14 it is 28, and weight is 24. So N will be 14 by 28. Temperature is 127 degrees centigrade he is mentioning. 127 degrees centigrade means by adding 273 it becomes 400 Kelvin. And volume of the container he has mentioned as 10 liters. So you are taking in liters. So you require the pressure. Equation is PV is equal to nRT. You should find out the P. V is 10 and N is equal to 14 by 28. So 14 by 28 it will be 1 by 2, and R value is 0.0821 into 400 Kelvin. So that you will be getting the answer. Take the students, you read the question. See, I am reading out the question, you solve it by yourself. If you don't get the answer once, or if you get the answer, verify the answer. An unknown gas of mass 12 grams is kept in a closed vessel. That molecular weight of that gas is 120 grams. At 1 atmosphere at T degrees centigrade. The temperature is T degrees centigrade, and you are having 12 grams of gas of molecular weight which is of 120 grams. If you increase the temperature, means you are taking two conditions. If you increase the temperature by 10 degrees centigrade, means initially it is T degrees centigrade, so you are making it to increase by 10 degrees centigrade, right? So T degrees centigrade means what you will be taking initial temperature T plus 273, because to convert this into Kelvin you will be adding 273, right? Here what happened? T plus 273 plus 10, because 10 degrees is increased, right? So it becomes T plus 283. Okay. Now pressure rises by 10%. What he is saying, pressure is increased by 10%. What is the initial pressure? Initial pressure, if you take P, 10% increased means if you take initial as 100, the final one will be 110. Okay. If you take initial one 1, the final one will be 1.1. Right, 10% is increased. Fine, he is asking find the temperature. So I think you have got the question. Right, one condition is you are having 1 atmospheric pressure, and second condition, pressure is increased by 10%. And what he is saying, temperature initial is T, and final temperature it is increased by 10 degrees centigrade. Find the increase in temperature. So students, this is the way of solving the answer for this question. Okay, so pressure is 1 atmosphere, T is T plus 273. Final pressure is 10% is increased, so P2 is 1.1, T2 is T degrees plus X. So if you take the equation PV is equal to nRT, for P1 you are applying 1 into V, 0.1 into R into T plus 273. If you take this one, second condition, P2 1.1, V is same, volume he is not mentioning anything, right? So number of moles also not changed, and R is also constant. So here it will be T plus 10 plus 273. So upper one will become T plus 283, bottom one will become. So 1.1 is there means 283. 1 means 2 plus T plus 273. So it will become 11 by 10. So if you calculate final temperature, it will be equal to minus 173 degrees centigrade. Thank you, students.